Hello viewers, I'm Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll do the MCQs on tenses. This is the first part. Let me tell you viewers, I've already made 13 videos on tenses. I've explained each and every tense separately in detail. And one of the videos is an overview on all the tenses. तो 13 वीडियोस में मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया जिसमें मैंने हर टेंस के बारे में बताया और बाकी वीडियोस हर टेंस के बारे में अलग से सेपरेटली बताया. I'll share the links in the description box. So let's begin today's lesson. First question. Judy dash delicious food. So the correct option is cooks. Why cooks? Because it is something that happens regularly. No specific time is mentioned. That is why we have used simple present tense. And we have added S with the verb because Judy is singular, the subject is singular. तो जो काम हमेशा होता है और कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइम मेंशन नहीं है तो और जो सब्जेक्ट है वो सिंगुलर है तो हम वर्ब के साथ एस लगाते हैं और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. It hardly dash me 10 minutes to reach my office. So this is also quite a similar sentence. The correct option is takes. So something that happens regularly. तो मुझे 10 मिनट लगते हैं ऑफिस पहुंचने में. It is the subject and it is singular. That is why S has been added with the verb take. It hardly takes. Third, water dash at 100 degrees Celsius. So the correct option is boils. This is a fact and this is something which is true. Water is uncountable, so we use S with the verb boils. Boils is the correct option. The students are dash their exam. So writing is the correct option. Please remember, राइटिंग के साथ आईएनजी वर्ब के साथ एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब की ज़रूरत होती है और बाकी जितने भी वर्ब्स हैं राइट, रोट, राइट्स, इनके साथ कोई भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो हियर वी हैव द हेल्पिंग वर्ब आर. तो स्ट्रेट अवे द ऑप्शन इज आर राइटिंग. आपको सोचने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. आर हेल्पिंग वर्ब है तो आईएनजी फॉर्म है तो आप राइटिंग यूज़ करेंगे एंड इसका मतलब होता है द स्टूडेंट्स आर राइटिंग देयर एग्जाम, समथिंग दैट इज़ हैपनिंग नाउ विच हैज़ नॉट बिन कंप्लीटेड. जो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है वो अभी जो कंटिन्यूटी में है. शी इज़ डैश इन अ स्कूल. टीचिंग टॉट, टीचर्स टीच. अगेन वी हैव गॉट an ing form of verb. So straight away you can use teaching. She is teaching in a school. वो एक स्कूल में पढ़ा रही है. दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच इज़ परमानेंट. वो अभी पढ़ा रही है, हो सकता है जल्दी छोड़ दे पढ़ाना. शी डैश इन अ स्कूल. नाउ हियर वी डोंट हैव एनी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सो टीचिंग तो यूज़ ही नहीं होगा. शी टॉट. टॉट इज़ पास्ट टेंस. पास्ट टेंस के लिए हमें एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम की ज़रूरत होती है. यहाँ कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइम मेंशन नहीं है तो हम सिंपल पास्ट नहीं यूज़ कर सकते. शी इज़ अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट तो टीचर्स एंड टीच में हम टीचर्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं बिकॉज शी जब सब्जेक्ट है, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है तो वर्ब के साथ एस लगना चाहिए. शी टीचर्स इन अ स्कूल. वो स्कूल में पढ़ाती है. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग परमानेंट. वो पढ़ाती है. I dash reading books. Enjoy is enjoy, enjoying, enjoyed. So the correct option is enjoy. I enjoy reading books. Now enjoy is a stative verb. Stative verb में जब कोई एक्शन नहीं दिखाते enjoy. So we don't use stative verb in ing form, and already reading is in ing form. So here we'll use enjoy. Is enjoy नहीं use करेंगे क्योंकि is a helping verb. Enjoy is not in continuous form. So I enjoy reading books. This book dash 200 rupees. What should be the answer? Correct option. This book costs 200 rupees. Again, cost is a stative verb. And this book is a singular subject. We have used S with the verb. This book costing नहीं हो सकता, इसके साथ कोई भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है. इसके अलावा स्टेटिव वर्ब हम ing फॉर्म में नहीं यूज़ करते हैं. I dash a car. I own a car. Owning नहीं हो सकता because again own is a stative verb. Stative verb होते हैं जिसमें कोई एक्शन नहीं दिखाया जाता है. I own, मेरे पास एक कार है, इसमें कोई एक्शन नहीं है. So I own a car. Stative verbs और भी होते हैं, उनमें से मैं कुछ आपको बता देती हूँ. ये तो सारे नहीं हैं, फिर भी some of the stative verbs, very common one, like, know, hate, agree, have, feel, smell, etc. They are not used in the present continuous tense. Rather, they are used in simple present tense. तो इनको हम continuous tense में use नहीं करते हैं. ज़्यादातर हम इन्हें simple present tense में use करते हैं. Now, many of us, we say, I am having a book, which is a wrong usage of have. We don't use have to show possession. But when have is used as an action verb, then we can use ing with it. They are always dash problem with their mate. So which is the correct option over here? They are always having problem with their mate. उनको हमेशा अपने mate के साथ problem होती है. So this is in continuous form. अभी भी हो रही है and it is still in continuity. And this is an action verb. So this has been used in ing form. She dash completed her work. Now here no specific time is mentioned. So we use has. Just now, maybe in the recent past, she has completed her work, but we don't know exactly at what time. That is why we have not used simple past tense. She dash her work 2 hours ago. Now here we know the specific time. 2 घंटे पहले उसने काम खत्म किया है. So she has completed or completed, will complete, had completed. So here we use simple past tense. She completed her work 2 hours ago. We won't use has completed. We'll use simple past tense. She completed her work 2 hours ago because time, a specific time is mentioned. She dash Mumbai since 2010. She has lived, living, lives. So which is the correct option? She has lived because you have since over here. The word since is always used with a perfect tense. Please remember, 2010 से वो मुंबई में रहती आ रही है. She has lived in Mumbai since 2010. Please remember. So an action that began at a point of time in the past and continues in the present. She dash in Mumbai for 10 years. So she has lived, living, will live. So which is the correct option? Has lived in Mumbai for 10 years. So for, now over here the word for has been used. Preposition for has been used. So here also we'll use present perfect, a perfect tense. She has lived in Mumbai for 10 years. 10 years के लिए 10 years से वो मुंबई में रह रही है. An action that started in the past and continues in the present. He dashed the college a week ago. So join, joined, joining, will join. So this is a finished action. The time, specific time is mentioned. We'll use simple past tense. He joined the college 1 week ago. A finished action in the past. So viewers, here's a worksheet designed specially for you. Try to solve the questions. See how many you can do. He dashed him when they were in school. He dashed touch with him since then. My brother dashed a blue car. Where did you dash last night? He dashed a letter to his friend. She dashed very sweetly. Now let's look at the answers. He knew him when they were in school. He has lost touch with him since then. My brother has a blue car. Where did you go last night? He is writing a letter to his friend. She sings very sweetly. Now here are some more. They dash yoga every morning. I dash the book you were looking for. My mother dash for a walk. Just wait till she returns. My neighbor dash ill since last month. Now let's look at the answers. They practice yoga every morning. I have found the book you were looking for. My mother has gone for a walk. Just wait till she returns. My neighbor has been ill since last month. So this is the end of the first part. Hope you liked it. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to write it in the comment section. I'll definitely reply. Share my video. Give it a like. Keep practicing. Take care.